Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very different to my normal video because I'm not talking about hair, I'm not talking about beauty, I'm not talking about skincare, I'm not even talking about clothing, I'm talking about supplements. I am not an expert, I'm not a professional, I don't know really a lot about health apart from, like the basics and stuff. So basically I'm just sharing what I have, what I take, the supplements that I do like, because why not? And I feel like you can use as many cleansers and exfoliators and serums and essences and moisturizers and eye creams as you want, but if you're not being healthy-ish or like taking those extra supplements to help improve that, well then you're just wasting money in a sense. I mean, some of those products still work, but we want to help everything. We want to have a more like 360 approach to our skincare stuff. So that is what today's video is about. I have been putting off filming this video for the longest time just because I'm not an expert, I don't know what I'm talking about, and I just feel like I'm not an authority on this. And even though I'm not an authority on skincare either, but because I just know a bit more about it and I'm a lot more confident in talking about skincare, that's easier for me to talk about. But I don't really know anything about health. My diet consists of literally sweets, sweets, more what's-its. I'm like not the healthiest bean in the stalk. Let me just say that. But I try. But anyway, I am rambling. I always ramble. But I think you guys don't mind me rambling, I hope. Okay, so before I jump into the video, I know I've been rambling for like 10 minutes already, but I do want to preface this video again by saying that I cannot take pills. It's a phobia of mine that I've had since the beginning of time. I literally have a phobia of swallowing like tablets, of swallowing anything that I can't chew. So all of the supplements that I take are either chewable, dissolvable, or in liquid form. So if you struggle to take pills like me, you don't like to swallow pills, you have a phobia, you have to chew everything before you swallow it, welcome. First of all, welcome. And second of all, these will be some great supplement options for you. Now guys, finally, without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. I feel like I need to really stress that, I'm not an expert. I don't know really anything. I've done as much research. Well, I've done a bit of research on all of these products and I like the sound of them. I like what it sounds like these things can do. So that is why I bought the things. But like I said in my introduction, because I am unhealthy, I need to get some nutrients in my diet somehow. And just taking supplements is a really great way for me to do that. Even if they don't do anything, taking these makes me feel like at least I'm doing something to help my body. Okay, so first up in my supplements, I have the Holland and Barrett Vitamin D Fizz. I've actually been taking these since I think around the beginning of lockdown. So around like March, April time, my mum was saying that vitamin D is really good for you, and she was saying that it helps with your immune system or something. And I like to think that my immune system is pretty good. Even though I'm not super healthy, I do eat a lot of oranges. I love citrus fruits, which are good for helping boost your immune system. My mum was talking about some vitamin D tablets that she was taking, but I obviously, I can't take pills. So when I went into Holland and Barrett, I saw that they had these dissolvable things. Anything that can dissolve, I love it, because I just feel like I don't have to swallow it. I don't have to have that fear of choking to death. I can just put this into water. So yeah, so I've really been taking these ever since like April, I would say. Like April, you put them into water and they fizz out, and it tastes kind of like a lemon citrus drink, which I quite like. They say you're supposed to take this with 200 mils of water. So I just usually fill up a glass and then I might pour some more water into it after it's dissolved. I think if you, like me, don't feel comfortable taking tablets and pills and things, then something that you can dissolve into your drink is really good because it's just easy to digest. And also if you like lemony but like sweet type fizzy things, then this is good. I don't actually really like fizzy drinks so much, like fizzy things. I prefer I just prefer water, but this is quite nice. And yeah, I was quite impressed with that one. Then next up, I have another fizzy drink. I actually got this one a bit recently. I think I got this one in July time. So my sister was looking at Nature's Best and they had an offer on, so she got some stuff and then I got these. These are the A to Z fizzy multivitamin and minerals. These have sweetener and they also have a natural berry flavour. You're supposed to take one of these a day. So these basically have a whole ton of minerals and vitamins in them. So just off the back, they've got vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin, pantothenic acid, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, manganese, selenium, chromium, molybdenum, iodine. This has a whole lot of stuff in it, so a good multivitamin. I've only had this once. Yeah, I've only had this one time, and to be honest, I had mixed feelings about it. Like I said, I've only had it once, so I feel like I can't really make such a great informed opinion on it. But it did taste like berries, and I think the only reason why I've only had it once is because I just take my Holland and Barrett vitamin D fizzy tablets every day, and I really should alternate so that one day I take a different thing. But I just love the Holland and Barrett one so much that these don't really get that much airtime. There are 20 tablets in here, and again, you put these into water and they fizz out and they dissolve. I think multivitamins are really great because then you literally get like everything in one, which saves you having to take like 6 different multivitamins. And then next, we're moving away from the fizzy things and we're moving on to the chewable things. I really love that these days technology has evolved so much that you can get your vitamins in sweet form. I have the sweetest of sweet teeth. I'm surprised that all of my teeth are still mine in my mouth. Sweets are a big issue, but I guess that's why we brush like twice a day. Okay, so the first vitamin gummies I have are from Nordic, and these are their multi-vegan gummies, and these are a multivitamin. So I actually first got these in April, and I got these from Holland and Barrett, and when I first tried them I just loved them so much, and I felt really different and that they were doing so much for me, and like, I don't know, it's just the feeling I had within myself just was so different. They have 120 gummies in here and they've got lots of different flavors. These multivitamins have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folic acid, niacin, biotin, vitamin D2, vitamin E. Yeah, I just love that they're a multivitamin. I think if you're vegan, then you will love these because, like in the name, these are vegan, and these are just so great. You are supposed to take 4 of these a day, and you're supposed to take them with food, with a meal. I tend to just like snack on these, so I will have like 4 and then I'll usually eat like a bit after I've taken these. But these are really good, and I love how big this like tub is. I got these from Holland and Barrett, but you can also get these from their website, although these are quite expensive. These are normally like £17.99. Because I'm still quite used to the supplement game, I kind of feel like £17, well £18 for supplements is a bit steep, but I did get these on offer in Holland and Barrett, and Holland and Barrett are always having offers on, so I think if you do want to try these out, you should definitely get them while they are on offer, because I think they are worth the £18, but we don't want to spend too much money. Okay, next up I have, again from Nordic, of the gummies, I have the apple cider vinegar gummies, and these are a great way to take apple cider vinegar. I was quite intrigued by these because obviously apple cider vinegar has a whole ton of health benefits, and people talk about how they have like a cup of apple cider vinegar in the morning because it helps to like give you clear skin, and it's like good for your internal systems and all of that stuff. But I've always been a bit like, ooh, that's a bit weird. So when I saw these, I thought I would just give them a go because why not? Also, they were on offer. I think actually when I bought these new Nordic things, I bought them all together, and Holland and Barrett had like buy one get one free, buy one get one half price, so it made sense to get all of these. So I just thought, you know what, I've always wanted to try them, let me try them, and it won't really come at any extra cost to me. So I got these. These are quite interesting. These do taste like apple, and they are a bit kind of sour, I guess, but I quite like them. They say they're sugar free, which is good, but they taste so sweet, so I don't know if the sugar comes from the fermented apples or where, but these are sweet. I've only recently started taking them, and I think with supplements and things you only see the benefits after time, so I think once I've been taking these for a month, then I will know if there's really any difference in my skin or anything like that. And yeah, you're supposed to take 2 of these a day with food. know. Cool beans. Okay, next up I have the new Nordic blueberry gummies. These have vitamin A, which help contribute to the maintenance of normal vision, and these gummies are made out of blueberry herbs and vitamin A. I was quite surprised, like I didn't know that blueberries were good for your eyes. We're always on the computer, staring at our phones, just staring at the television. Our eyes are always looking at the screen, are always doing something, and are always under so much stress. I think especially with it being so hot, and if you don't have sunglasses, get some sunglasses, and you don't have like a visor or like a shade or anything, you can put a lot of strain on your eyes. Also, I used to work for an eyewear company, so I do know a thing or two about eyes and eyesight and how rapidly your eyes can deteriorate even without you knowing that your eyes are deteriorating. So I wanted to do something to help my eyesight, because obviously my screen time is not decreasing anytime soon. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I'm not going to stop using a screen anytime soon. So anything that I can do to help just improve my overall vision and eye health, I will do. So I'm trying out these. Again, these taste really good. They're covered in sugar and they're really great. I just feel like these are so tasty. I think these are my second favorite. I've got my first favorite in just a second. These are my second favorite gummies. Taste wise, these taste so good and I always want to eat them. They're literally amazing. So yeah, there are 60 gummies in here, and again, you take 2 of these a day with food. I should say quickly, because I didn't say this, in terms of all of these, because there are so many and I don't want to overdose on supplements, I don't take everything in one day. I split them up over different days, just because it's a lot taking all of this stuff. I don't think you're actually supposed to take everything in one day either. And then next up, we're nearly there guys, and then next up, my last thing that I take that's from New Nordic, I have their hair volume gummies, and these have biotin and zinc to help maintain normal hair. I feel like, why did I get these? It's funny because if you watch any of my hair videos, then you will know that my hair has been doing so well over the last couple of months, and I've been experimenting with so many different hair treatments and my hair is really responding so well to everything. So I didn't really have a need to take their hair volume gummies. They were on offer. I thought, why not? But yeah, and I feel like I've always wanted to try a hair gummy just to know if they work, if they like really do anything. So I thought this would be a great chance to try out some hair gummies. Also, these are normally like $19.99 in Holland and Barrett, and that's expensive guys. So a chance to try them while they're on offer, I will take that, yes ma'am. Honestly, I've not really seen a difference, but again, I haven't been taking them for that long. I think I've only been taking them for like not even a month. I would say maybe even 2 weeks. But these are my favorite gummies because they taste so good. These are actually amazing. These taste so good. There are 60 in here, so you're supposed to take 2 a day. But like I said, I've only been taking these for like 2-ish weeks. Guys, they're so good. So that is just a really quick overview of all of the supplements that I'm taking. This was definitely a departure from my usual videos, but I kind of feel like health, skincare, they kind of all like blend into one. And I definitely feel like you see the benefits of taking care of your body and stuff when you put in like the good foods, the supplements. Obviously, I know that just because I take these supplements and just eat Wotsits, I won't be super healthy. I know that, guys. But we can pray. You know, also, I love my vegetables. I'm still eating like a balanced diet. I try to, but these are just helpful to add a bit of a boost to the nutrients and stuff that I get from the food that I'm eating. Anyway, I hope you like this video. I think I sped through things really fast and I didn't really give detailed things into everything, but I just wanted to share what supplements I'm taking. And even though this video isn't detailed at all, I hope that I've helped give a starting point for what supplements and what things you can take. Obviously, you know, I'm not a doctor, so if you do have allergies or like real proper issues and stuff that you want to like tackle, then definitely like speak to your GP, speak to a doctor, just speak to a professional who can like help you and guide you through things. But definitely my favorite supplements, I love New Nordic. Their products are so good. They taste really good and they taste like they're really high quality. If you can't take pills like me, a gummy, a dissolvable tablet is just what you need. listen, it's just lifesavers. I think Holland and Barrett is a great place to go for vitamins. Sainsbury's, Tesco. There are so many places popping up all over the place these days that you can definitely start your own supplement journey. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and in the meantime I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.